this point, a handful of the parts I ordered have come in now. And what we got here from Moog, of course, are the lower control arm bumpers that were rotted off. We got those. I've got the upper control arm shafts and bushings and everything. They've come in. And then these are the coil spring isolators that go in the frame rail. And then also I found a company stateside that had the correct nuts that actually retain the brake hoses on the truck. Only problem was I screwed up. I didn't realize they came as a package of 10. So I needed 2 of the nuts, so I ordered 2. So I have 20 of them now. And as you can see, I've got control arms are all painted and everything here now. And what I've been doing with the drill there is just kind of cleaning out any paint that's in there and test fitting the bushings to see how they fit. Now we can start popping them in. So doing the lower control arms not a big deal. So I took and I cleaned out where our new bumper is going to go, right? I've cleaned out where our ball joint is going to get pressed in, and I've cleaned out and made sure that where our control arm bushings are going to go is nice and clean too. So now we can take everything over to the press. Okay, that's it bottomed out, and that is it installed. So, there's our lower ball joint installed. That's one control arm bushing installed. So, just like that, we've got our control arm bushings installed all the way around. Just like our other control arms, which you can see I got hung up because, just like those ones, once I get the bump stop installed here, I will take and touch all the control arm up anywhere I've scraped it or anything with the press. Because unfortunately that does happen. Especially when you have someone like myself running the press. So I'll tighten that up, and then I'll touch this up and hang it up, and we have another control arm done. So started out just seeing how things were going to fit with the new bushings, and before I knew it I had it all together here. Everything's just finger tight because I still have to clean up those coils and put them in before I can tighten everything, but the upper control arms are in. Like I said, all of it's loose so that after I have the weight of the truck on it, I can actually go ahead and finish tightening stuff up. But so far so good. You know, we are making some progress. I don't know, I'm pretty happy with it so far. Should be a decent little truck. So what I intended to have today for content versus what I actually have today for this week's video are two different things altogether. Essentially, the last few days have just been an absolute bust for me. Been to two different scrap yards. Neither experience went well, and I've ended up not getting the parts I needed, and just time hasn't been on my side this week either.